We did a template for the front part of the lower kitchen unit. The countertop is going to be here, and this is going to sit out, I think, 17 inches from the wall. So there's going to be some storage in here, and the plan is just to have it open, and we will see how it looks when it's done. And we got some European plywood, 3/4 inch, with a gray, I think it's a painted surface, but it's pretty cool looking. And this is 96. This needs to be 102, so we are going to glue 6 inches on the edge here. But right now we're just going to make some marks where the hole is going to be. Now we've transferred from the template to the actual front of the pant or the kitchen. So we're gonna cut holes here, and we give it like a few millimeter, and then after that we're gonna router it clean. So let's start. I'm pretty happy with this. It is a little bit of a damage onto, I don't know, we call this a veneer because it's thinner than Formica, but it's a little bit damaged there. We're gonna try to make that edge rounder, but we're gonna try it on the back side to just see how it looks. I think that's the thing, isn't it? This is, or this will be, the countertop in the Toyota RV. It's only 17.5 deep, but it's not much room in there. And I have a lot of flooring left. This is, I don't know what this is. It's red. Something in my head says fruit tree of some kind, but we have it. It's flooring, but it's pretty thin. So we're just gonna put it on the countertop, and we might use it for flooring also in there. But this is gonna be here somewhere, and we're gonna glue it down with regular wood glue. This is the front. This is the back side and this is the front side for the kitchen area or the galley area. And we put a piece here so we can drill it into the floor. So this is supported, and then we're gonna have a few things going over to the wall. And we're gonna put it in now and see how it looks. We're making a sturdy frame that is 19 3/4. And then, so it's support here and a support here. But to make it look nice, we do 2 shelves. Not very good angle there, but. And then on the shelf, we put a little aluminum pipe, and we make this like a spice rack. And it's only 6 inches deep. All right, let's make it.